How to add percentage symbol in Excel without changing values. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. Okay, so let me open Excel. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me find the percentage. So we have full marks and marks. So we need to use formula by entering equal sign. Now we need to take the marks, which is F7. Okay, we need to open the bracket, then we need to take the marks, then we need to use the slash, which is division. Now we need to take the full marks, which is E7, close the bracket, into 100. Okay, now you can see I got the, okay, we have, okay, okay, so first we take marks, then full marks, division full marks, then bracket close, then into 100. Now we have it's come 80%, but you can see there is a no percentage symbol. So how we can visible it? Just select the cell, right click on it, go to the format cell, and here we need to go in custom, in general, select the 0, then use the back forward slash, and after the backslash we need to use percentage symbol. Okay, now just we need to click OK. So we can see percentage symbol has been visible now. If you want to apply this format to all cell or all data, then you have to select this, copy it, copy this, and select the range or paste here. Okay, so this formula has been applied, and just let me put the data, so you can see all the percentage symbol has been visible. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.